Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm just covering up Jasmy price prediction, and look at the Jasmy, guys. Look at the Jasmy. It's literally going higher and higher, just trying to break the resistance. And exactly it's reaching almost 222. And basically what exactly I'm looking right now in a Jasmy for a longer time frame and a smaller time frame. Let's dive into the screen first of all, because why I'm just thinking it's reaching almost 3 cent, because previously I posting a video where I just mentioned it 3 cent is incoming. So a lot of people's just thinking, Travis, it should need to be goes more higher. So why I'm not thinking it goes more higher, because look at this crazy line over here. So basically this coin is literally pumping crazy from almost around 170, and it's giving a double digit bottom. So the first one is over here in this line, and the second one is over here. So these are the two line is a flat line, and it's exactly bounced back from the 170. So a lot of people just think, Travis, you talk about 170 exactly is bouncing back. Are you whale? So basically I'm not a whale. The community is awesome and tremendous awesome, though they know what exactly I'm gonna talk about it. The 170 is the last support, so I already placed a stop loss. My stop loss almost ready, so I'm just waiting for one more pump, and it should need to be reached almost around 3 cent and eventually more. So the main thing is that how are we going more higher, or is just a fake pump we see in Jasmy? So look at this one, it's just reaching the same line again and consolidate. So this one is a massive resistance area. So yeah, I'm just thinking, it's if it rejected from this price point, so it's reaching almost around 180. So this one is a third time might be it reach it, but I'm not thinking. So there's a massive support over here, 219. If it fall from the 219, so we see some kind of bearish downtrend, and might be it reach this level 180. So this one is the last support. I'm just looking right now, but the last, you know because it's already giving a massive return to the investor and holder. And why I'm just thinking like that, because this one is the double digit bottom, so you already see the how much return it's giving to the investor and holder. But when you get into the 1 day time frame, yeah, it's literally showing some kind of positive sign to me, because it's just only a two green candle we see in Jasmy. So according to the 1 day time frame, this one is a crazy support almost around a 216. If it rejected, so you already see this similar things happen in Jasmy so many time over here. The first time over here in this line you can see, and then slightly fall down and just wash out every single pump. Again it's pumping like crazy, then wash out every single pump, then let it dumping hard. So again it's fluctuate so long in this line, and you can see so many days is fluctuate. So if somehow if it rejected, and if it turn it red and pour it down, and just literally a lot of people is going crazy that why I didn't place a stop loss before in this line, because I know that this is the bottom. I'm just waiting for so long for this price, and exactly I got it. So I'm in a profit right now, so I'm just waiting for a 3 cent, and let's see what happened. But still just looking at this one is the crazy resistance, which is almost around 4 cents. So might be this coin reaching almost around 350, eventually 4 cent. So nothing is impossible in a crypto. When you get into the weekly time frame, you can literally see what exactly I'm gonna talk about it. So the weekly time frame already reached this price point almost 0.0235. So it should need to be break this area almost around 250, if somehow if it break it. So this coin is literally going higher and higher. Might be the next month we see some kind of mega rally in a Jasmy. So it's zipping the candle. So I'm just looking at 3 cent. Yeah, it easily reach it. 3 cent if it reach it, and 280 if it reach it. Then what happen if it not consolidate almost at 225, or eventually 260 in between so long? So that time the 220 is a major support, because every single time when it dump it 170, then 180, this one is the first phase. So now we'll go for the second phase. So I'm just looking the if it reaches third phase almost around 220, and eventually if it reach 280 or eventually 3 cent, so there must be some kind of a buying wall which is present on it. It create automatically, so which is almost around 225 or eventually 260 in between, so long if it fluctuate and not letting the price down. So we see some kind of mega rally in a Jasmy in the next monthly time frame. So I'm totally bullish right now. I'm not saying this coin is a shady one, because it's already give a 3x profit. So we're already in a profit right now. So we're waiting for one more dump. And if it falls, so this one is a golden pocket. I'm just looking right now. So consolidated in between so long, this is crazy and insane, and just always creating some kind of support and resistance. So why it should need to be reached 3 cent, eventually more. So Jasmy is going crazy right now, and I know this is a Japanese Bitcoin, and exactly it's literally pumping crazy. So I'm just thinking Jasmy ready to explode it, and might be we see some kind of mega rally in Jasmy reaching almost around 3 cent, eventually 4 cent in this month. Everything is possible. So we have to monitor this 1 day time frame. Only the 2 1 day time frame turn it green. The first one is zip it, and there's a lot of selling pressure. Short, long is going on. Just think about it, what happened. But main thing is that we are holders, so we are always grabbing a token at very low price. Spell, I already grab it, so I'm still profit in a spell, and also I'm in a profit in a Jasmy right now. So let's say the Jasmy should need to be hold the position. If it hold it, that is good. And if it not, so there is another golden pocket. I'm just looking right now in a Jasmy, because yeah, now some people those who bought at 770, their mom and dad just feel like happy, like finally you know how to make money from this crypto. But I learned these things from in the past, when I do a lot of mistakes in 4 years, just holding and seeing and watching the pump and dump. Now I get all the detail. I never ever watching the graph. I'm watching the company performance, or watching the what exactly company is doing right now. Horror, listing this token so many exchanges. This is pretty insane and cool. Just trying to do something good with this Jasmy. It's all about Jasmy related information. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to smash subscribe and do some comment for YouTube. Share with your family and friend. And don't forget to hit the like button. Bye bye and take care and enjoy the ride.